Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can activate your Cash App card, so let's get right into it. Now, if you have an old Cash App card, which has either been deactivated or hasn't been activated within a window of 2 weeks after you've gotten it, then sadly you don't have any options and you will need to order a new one. Old cards that are deactivated for whichever reason cannot be reactivated again, be it because you requested them to be deactivated or if they were deactivated due to some rules breach or terms and service violations. It doesn't matter, you will need to get a new one. Now, pretty sure you already know the procedure, but just to go over it really quickly, what you need to do is you need to verify your information on your Cash App account, and once you have verified it and once everything is good on that side, you will need to go into the Cash App or Cash Card menu, order a new card, and once that arrives, you can very easily go to your card menu from your home screen, then press on the green activate button, and then select if you want to activate it with a QR code, allow the permissions for a camera, and then scan the QR code, and you're done. If you don't have the QR code, you can just go to activate through the green button again, select activate without QR code, enter the CVV, which is located at the back of your physical card, and then follow the prompts, and your card will be activated after that. And that is pretty much it. There's nothing else you can do except for that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.